Can y'all hear me now? Can y'all hear me? Can anybody hear me? All right, cool, cool. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I had I had issues with this Streamlabs, so I was getting very frustrated. I went live like two or three times, and then it's just TikTok wouldn't even work. Nobody was coming in. It said it was loading, and then it's just man, I'm just very frustrated this morning, guys. But all right, guys. So since it's already 10 o'clock, there's still money to be made. Um, what I am seeing today is I want to see some more upside. We might come down to this 50, but anything can happen. So I don't know, guys. It's very choppy this morning, so I would be careful. I would be careful, guys. So what you want to do is you want to catch these bottoms, though. You want to catch these where the liquidity is at. So this is a 5 minute. So if it passes right here, guys, then we're going downhill. Otherwise, I would just stay in longs. So I'm watching this. I'm watching the 30-second right now. We just need to come up, and I'm gonna stay in just one contract for right now until I see what the hell's going on. If it just drops significantly, guys, wait for a bounce back up and then get into some shorts. It's already 10:02, guys. All right. There's really not much going on. It's just it's just stuck right in this range where it opened. So So I just want to see some longs today, guys. I mean, we can just scalp. I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of this. I'm just gonna scalp this, man. There's really no movements at all. There's nothing. So you might as well just scalp. You make more money scalping either way. So instead of just holding it all day. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm looking at. Let me see. This is a 60 right here. Sorry about this black zoned area, guys. I can't fix that, so I don't know. Watch this wick on to the top side. Watch the wick to the top side on the 60. Let's see what we do. I'm gonna start bouncing into some long positions here in a minute, guys. Just scalp it. Just scalp it, guys. That's it. Come on. And they'll only like staying into one contract, guys. I mean, because I know if we do get like a really big drop, we could just go ahead and get out, Um, or at least try to save it with average up or down. So I'm gonna wait. I'm still looking to that upside. I'm gonna wait for another, see if we can get a good drop. Let's go back to that seven though. Let's go back to that seven. I'm at $95 anyways. I don't like this. I don't like these movements, guys. We'll go ahead and get out. Go ahead and get out. We're not having no big moves, guys. That's why I don't want to hold this stuff. We're not having any kind of big movements. We're only having very, very tiny moves, guys. So do you put the button down on and what? All right, guys. So right, guys. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait right now, guys. I'm gonna wait. I want to see what happens. At this general area, I would be careful. Um, I really don't see anything, guys. I don't. It's very risky right now. It's very tricky too. So I have no idea. This is the 15 minutes. Sorry about the black spacing on that right side, but I don't know how to fix that. But so I'm looking at this wick down here and I'm looking at this top side. I really want to see these top side being taken out, but we might come back down here. I don't know. I have no idea. It's too risky right now, guys, so just be careful. If you do get into some trades, catch either the top side of the zone or the bottom side, guys. So you can just it's very choppy, guys, today. This is horrible. This is very choppy. This is a gamble, really. So it's better it's better just to what do you call it? It's better just to scalp this stuff, guys, because we just don't know. We really don't know. I can't tell. I don't know what's going on. Looks like we might be coming down, but it's very tricky to know. So I'm just gonna wait till it bottoms out and then probably just get in. I might be wrong on this one, but who knows, guys? That's why you don't. We're not supposed to hold anything. I'm out. I'm out of that one. I'm at 101.18 now. I do want to see this go up, guys. I want to see it go higher, but we just never know, guys. Never know. Just scalp this stuff, guys. Just scalp it. Here we go. Wait till we come back down. Just see it a little bit more, guys. Wait till we come down. Looks like it's building up for something, guys. So, um, I do want to see it go to the upside, guys. So I'm gonna wait for that 30 seconds. Once the stochastics cross over and we're heading up, I'm gonna try to see if we can catch a little long. Or actually, maybe right now. I'm watching for longs, guys. So that's what I'm doing. It's very tricky, guys. Very tricky. So just get out when you get a chance. Get out when you get a chance, guys. Looks like we're building momentum to the downside, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out if I can. We're building momentum to the downside, guys. Should have gotten in there. I should have got. There we go. All right, I'm gonna chill out just for a minute, guys. There's really this is dangerous. This is very dangerous. We don't know what's going on. We don't know where it's gonna go. Hmm. We do not have no clue where it's gonna go. So I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit, guys. So I do want to see those long positions today, but um, I just don't know, guys. I do see a level on QQQ all the way down to 496.37. So if we do pass 497.29 on the Qs, then we might as well just be heading down. I'm gonna wait. So we might even push just down, guys. I'm just gonna hold one just in case. That's it. I'm just gonna hold this one for a little bit. See what we do. I might be wrong, so Yeah. I would look for shorts, guys. I would look for short positions. That's $38. All right, let's see what we do. Let's see if we can save this one, guys. If we can try to break even. I'm gonna try to break even on this one, guys. It's only 37 bucks. That's nothing. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try to break even on this. I'm gonna wait for the sarcastics to actually come up. I'm not gonna make any movements just yet. We need the sarcastics on the 30 seconds to cross over so we can head to the upside, guys. So we just gotta wait for this drop though. On this 1 hour, we're still above the MACD, guys. So let's see what we do, guys. I could be wrong on this one. That's okay. Um, I'm gonna wait for the next leg down and see what we do. I'm seeing that 496.37 to the downside, guys, on the QQQs. 496.37. I'm gonna wait for it to reach down there, and then I'm gonna go into long positions, guys. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till it reaches down there. I'm gonna wait. Possibly to that 50. See if we can break even on this top side. If we can't, I'll just keep adding more. We're looking at, we might be going down to that 50 on the 1 hour, guys. So who knows? On the 4 hour, we did reach to that 7. So it's all right. It's 10:14. Let's just wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I want to see a reversal to the upside. We might come back down to this, what is it? To this, that 494.25, guys. 494.25, or possibly down here, right here. But I just want to wait. I'm gonna try to save this one, guys. Let's see if we can save this one. I'm gonna try to get to the bottom of that ring, the bottom of this rundown. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it, guys. It's all right. I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna let it run. I want to stay in. See if we can get a run back up, guys. Get a run back up all the way, possibly all the way up here. So I'm just gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait, guys. We're good now. Look it back. Thanks for the follow. I'm gonna wait for it to come back up, guys. I'm not. I should have got into that bottom side. I'm gonna wait for the Stochastics to actually cross over and see if we can head up, and the MACDs to cross over as well. Um, that's all I'm seeing for now, fellas. I'm not seeing anything else. Hmm. I'm gonna wait, guys. Let's try to see if we can break even on this one, guys. I'm gonna try to save it, so I'm gonna wait. I'm going to wait till everything is already cooled off. So once it's cooled off, I'm gonna try to get in, see if we can save this. So the 60 minute, so we have 41 minutes till the 1 hour closes. I want to see what that one where that 1 hour closes at. And we only have 10 minutes on the 15. We have 1 minute on the 3 minute chart. So I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm not gonna enter into no other positions just yet. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna try to break even on this one. All right, stochastics are moving over. MACD's the same thing, so we might get a nice push up. Who knows? But I'm not going to enter just yet, guys. I'm going to enter one more contract once we start, if we start heading down some more. I would like to see it to come up over here. So I'm going to look at the 10 minute. This is what I'm worried about right here, guys, is heading all the way down here. Well, I mean, I should be fine, though. I'll be fine. Probably wait till it reaches that 50 on the 1 hour. I'm gonna wait till it reaches that 50 on the 1 hour, guys. This is all right, guys. This is not gonna hurt me at all. See if we can get a nice push up though. That would be nice. All right, so this is what I'm seeing right now, guys. Let's see what happens from here, fellas. We kind of, well, we didn't really. If we break here, guys, we're probably heading back down here. We break this level here at 525.50. So let's see what it does. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait for another leg down, and then I'm gonna get into another contract. So I'm gonna wait for another leg down. Let's see if we get it. See what happens, fellas. All right. We might come back to the 7 and bounce off here or between the 7 and the 21. So I'm just going to wait for a second for another leg down, see if we do get it. If we don't and we start coming up here, um, then I'm going to be careful on this one, guys. I'm going to wait till everything just cools off, fellas, and then I'll be getting into contracts. Luigi. I'm going to wait, fellas. I'm not going to make any moves. There we go. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for another leg down, guys. and then get into the bottom of it. I'm gonna wait for confirmation first before we even start heading up. That's a 3 minute. Let's look at the 5. I'm gonna wait for confirmation first, guys. Once Sarcastic starts crossing over, I'll be in. I'm gonna get in. All right, let's see what we do here. Starts running up. I'm gonna be getting in, fellas. I'm waiting for Sarcastics first, and then I'll get in. This could be the top end of the candle. So we just got to be careful. We got to be careful here. This is MNQ. It's 5 minute. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. I want to catch this bottom side a little bit. See if we can get back down here. If we can get back down here, I'll enter into another position. Because this on the 32nd is still the top of the range. So right here is still the top of the range, guys. So I want to get it down here. If I am going to enter, it'll be down here. Unless we do get another leg down. Well, this is actually one leg right here. So depending on what happens here, guys, if we get another massive push down, then I'm just going to wait for that second leg to the downside and just wait for consolidation there and then get into it. Or we can just start scalping here and start averaging these contracts. All right, so there's another leg down, guys. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait, fellas. No, this is not crypto. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm not gonna make any other moves just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and save this. I'm gonna try to break even on this today, guys. I'm gonna try to break even. I'm not even gonna try to make profits today. I was up 110 today, but I'm just gonna try to break even, guys. I'm not um we're not always right. So I'm gonna try to break even, guys. Let's see what happens. Long. Yeah, I was long this morning, but then we had this drop here, but we're not always right. So let's just see what happens, guys. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till it reaches down here, guys. It's not rip. It's not rip, guys. This is not gonna hurt me. I'm gonna try to break even on this, guys. I'm not gonna try to make profits at all. It's already 10:30. Yesterday I actually made about 400 and say. Yesterday I actually made 400 and something dollars, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the Sarcastics to cross over and then I'll get in. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get into a long position here in a minute, guys. I'm gonna get into some longs here in a minute. I'm gonna wait for some longs, guys. I'm gonna wait till it gets down here, fellas, and then I'll get into another position and try to average and try to break even on this. We came between we came between this 7 and the 21. We could bounce off this 7 again, or we can just go up and just hit this 50 up here. So I'm gonna wait, fellas. I'm not gonna. Come on, make it drop some more. Let's go. We have that 50 at 492.44, guys. 492.44 on QQQ on the 2 hour. Um, let's see if we can get a bounce off of that one. Or on the 4 hour, that'll be the 21. I want to be able to get it at 490.80 on the QQQs, guys. 490.80. 490.80, guys, on QQQ. I'm gonna wait for 490.80s on QQQ, guys, and then I'll get in. What's the name of? What do you mean? 490.80 on QQQ, fellas. $490.80 on QQQ. That is one big massive candle, guys. 490.80. It's this is MNQ, guys. This is futures. 490.80, guys. I'm gonna get in at 490.80. 490.80 on QQQs. Yep. 490.80, fellas. Everything just did that. I had a spy call. It's all right. I mean, just wait for those 490s, guys. Wait for those 490s to get in. Wait for those 490s, fellas. I'm gonna wait for those 490s. We're at 492.91. I'm gonna wait for 490s, guys. Try to see if I can break even on this. Oh, we're on the 15. Let's go to the 5. 490.80s, guys. Do one day. All right, let's see what we do. 498.80s, guys. 490.80s, guys. 490.80s, fellas. There's nothing there, guys. 490.80s, guys. We're at 492.09, so I'm gonna wait. This was a very bad setup, guys. I got into it whenever we broke even, or whenever we were up here. I got in thinking it was gonna just jump back up from the bottom of the zone, but we broke out of here, and I even called it too that if we do break out of here, we're gonna go down. I just didn't know it was gonna be that much. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm not gonna do anything right now. Oh wow, that is a hole. What the heck just happened? I'm gonna wait till this downside, guys, to put into another contract. That is crazy. North Korea blew up a railway going to South Korea. ASML collapsed. ASML collapsed, guys. ASML. ASML collapsed, guys. ASM. Jeez, watch ASML, guys. Watch MSML. Look at that look at that stock, guys. That thing is done for. That's what happened, fellas. Wow. I've never seen it. I've never seen something like that before. Never. But watch ASML, guys. That thing is done for. Jeez. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. Yeah, yeah, ASML, guys. And I got it from my mentor, the one that works at a firm. He gave me that information. He did I didn't pay attention to it, guys. I did not pay attention to it. Like he does puts out stuff and I did not pay attention to it. I should have been on it. It's all right. I could have made it big, guys. It's all right. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna see what happens with so just watch ASML, fellas, and then see if once ASML starts getting a reversal, guys, then we'll jump in with some more contracts here. Jeez, ASML is horrible. Holy fuck. That's crazy. Well, look at that, guys. Look at all of that. Look at this huge red candle, fellas. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, it's a buy. Yeah, I mean they're buying it right now, but they should wait. People should be waiting right now, um, until it actually slows down. I don't think we're gonna get this back, guys. So I'm gonna try to see if I can start averaging in this, guys, and it's all right. We'll just take a big hit today, but all the other days, man, wow, it is still that is crazy, fellas. That is crazy. Yeah, that is crazy. Yep, that is crazy, guys. This is crazy. And I'm gonna ask I'm gonna ask my buddy see where he thinks it's gonna go. Oh, starting to pick back up. I'm gonna see what happens right here, guys. Nice, nice. I know. This is not gonna hurt me, fellas. This is not gonna hurt me, but it's a very bad. You don't do this, guys. All right, don't do this. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. All right, I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait, see what happens. If ASML starts picking up, I'm gonna wait, see when this candle closes on the 30 minute, and then uh and then I'll try to jump in, guys. All right, I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait for another little drop, and then I'll get in. You can't even control yourself. I don't know what. How's the It's looking good, man. It's looking good. Yeah, I took the drop, guys. I took it. This is futures, so it's MNQ, guys. I was this morning, yes. When it was down here. When it was down here, I was. I'll be all right, guys. I'll be all right. I'm gonna just go ahead and start averaging. See what happens right here, guys. If it does go any lower, then that's on me. Asia problem causing massive issue, bearish. Okay, they cool off. We'll see. All right, let me see. I'm gonna ask my buddy, see what he says about it. I asked him about it, guys. Asia market, Asia problem caused massive issue. So I asked him, are they if any of the other firms are going to buy back? I asked him that if any of the firms are going to buy back. So let's see what happens. 1044. Now we could have another leg down, guys. So yeah, I know, I know. It says he said easy now. ASM's not doing hot. ASML and TSM help spark the bull run. The Pacific poses a massive threat. So so all he said was just be careful, guys. He's typing some more. Let's see what he says. It's already 10:46. See what he says. He said if they can price in price controls, but Nvidia needs to break 134.36. So that's what he says, and Nvidia needs to break 134.36, guys. Um, so Nvidia needs to break 134 and 136. So I'm gonna go check on Nvidia real quick. 134. Let's see. Nvidia is coming back. 134. So that's about that area right there. He said looks like Nvidia can go to 5,800 and Nasdaq follows. So that's all I got. So just be careful, guys. He didn't say anything about any buyback. So um, this is just a nothing burger. This is nothing but a buyback. So institutions could be jumping in. You got echo? Oh, do I? Um, sorry guys. Let's see. Give me 1 second. All right, can y'all hear me better? Can y'all hear me better? So he said, this is just nothing but a buyback. Could go lower, not safe until Nvidia 134 and ASML TSM stabilizes. If there is a war in the Pacific, we'll drop very hard. So just keep an eye out on guys. Like this will decimate the semiconductor trade. Shots are already being fired. Shots fired somewhere in the, I guess in the Pacific, in Korea somewhere. That's all he said. That's what all my buddy said. Um, so this could be, yeah. So that's all I have, guys. That's all he said. So I don't know. All he said was buybacks. So this could just be a buyback here. I don't know. Or we can just go lower. He said watch SPX 5800. Um, if it gets really bad. So he says we may recover. He said just wait. Tesla Apple QQQ. All chips, guys. All chips. If they do a buyback, guys, he'll let me know. Nvidia's coming back up. He said also ASML was the only hope out of this. I'm gonna look at ASML. Says the guide down ASML says spending is slowing in AI. They need ASML machines to build AI, bottom line. They're buying back, guys. Me rejected 1009. Let's take the. I'm gonna take a look at that. MU. I've traded that before. They're buying back, guys. It says he said money could rotate to Bitcoin actually, so be ready. Money could rotate to Bitcoin, so be ready, guys. They're buying back. ASML. ASML, guys. Holy shit. Holy shit. They're buying back. If we can reach to that 50, guys, on ASML, it's over. They're buying back, guys. They're buying back ASML. Going on 95. Watch that wick to the downside, guys, all the way down here back again. I want to hold this. If I have to, I would only take $1,000 loss. That's it. I mean, I'm down pretty good, but that doesn't bother me, especially from last week's profit. So we have about uh wow, we have 57 seconds left for that 1 hour candle to close. So I want to see what happens there. We got 32 seconds, guys. What pair? What do you mean? Looks like it wants to reverse. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go back down some more. We're at 59 seconds, guys. Or actually, you know what? Oh, okay, we're at 1 hour, back to 1 hour. Let's see what happens, guys. It looks like it wants to come back down here and probably reverse on this bottom side, but I don't know. I'm trading him in Qs. I did not know about MS and what was it? MSML, guys. I was not expecting that. I should have paid attention more to what my mentor says. Looks like it wants to come back down here some more, guys. Yeah, it is. It is. Well, I knew it was a bad day because we were already at the highs up here. And I was like, well, it's really choppy up here. And then I wanted to catch these longs from here to go back up again. And then it decided to boom, boom. And then I got into here, another one here, and then the last third one right here. So I wanted to see if I could actually come up halfway and see if I could at least get half of the break even. But it is what it is, guys. I mean, we're not always right. It's crazy though, man. That's a huge fucking drop. It might reverse, guys. It might reverse. The 20 is looking good. I like the 20 better. The 20 minute. 20 is looking good. The 5 minute, we can get a bounce off that signal line. It looks good. It said only a bad day because the U.S. officials leaked possible talks of capping AI. Yeah, and that's what he was mentioning. My mentor. He said here's ASML report. ASML third quarter booking EU 2.63 billion estimated. EU 5.39 billion. ASML cuts 2025 net sales. Gross margin guidance is ASML shares drop 11% after third quarter booking miss estimates. So that's bad. ASML CEO says while there continue to be strong developments and upside potential in AI, other market segments are taking longer to recover. It now appears the recovery is more gradual than previously expected. So we're starting to open a green candle in the 1 hour. I'm still worried about this downside though. Um, we just need that push, guys. That's it. At least to the 7. At least to the 7 here on the 10. And let's see. And between this the 7 and the 21, sell the news, buy the dip. Yep. I'm gonna see if he can hop on here and talk about it. See if he can do that or not. I'm gonna try to see if I can get him on here. Let me text him real quick. Mm, let's see. What is it called? Stream together? That's what it is. I think stream together. All right. See what he says. Which one? This one right here. This is the MACD, guys. It's already 11:05. I'm usually off by 10:55, guys, but I'll just wait it out. I'll wait it out this time since I am in this situation. This is not going to bother me, guys. I'll just take $1,000 loss. That's it. I am not bothered by this whatsoever. It was a bad play, but we have our days. Yeah, he's busy, guys. He can't come on. So see if I could. This is real, guys. This is real. He's busy, guys. He can't come on. He's too busy trying to figure this stuff out. Looks like we're coming back down to this 332 possibly. But I'm just gonna keep holding, guys. Are you getting in the ASML? I'm not. I don't do stocks. Um, I just trade futures, guys. But from him, from someone that actually works at a firm, I mean, he's saying that they're buying back, but we just don't know when. So I think let me see what he says. He said, are they going to buy back easy now? ASML isn't doing hot. ASML and TSM help spark the bull run. So if they can price the price controls, then Nvidia needs to break that 134. All he says is just nothing but a buyback. So he just says wait for a pullback and a more pullback and then just buy in. But I mean, Everybody's going to try to buy in the dip, this dip right here. I mean, we could also have another secondary leg down. So that was just a massive pullback, guys. If it goes below here, guys, I'm going to get out. Yes, I speak Spanish. We don't always win, fellas. And I never put a stop loss, guys. I never do. So that's because I don't have to worry about getting liquidated. That's not either take a $500 loss or $1,000 loss. I mean, I don't have to worry about getting liquidated, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start scaling out, guys. QQQ puts or calls. Um, Let me see what they are getting into first, and then I'll see. Let's see what they're doing first, and then I'll. He says no. He says not yet. Like I said, he said to keep watch Bitcoin. He says watch Bitcoin, guys. So let's go over to Bitcoin, see what it's doing. Yeah, all he says is just watch Bitcoin. So they could sell more, guys. So just be careful. Um, he said look at Nvidia. This was my fault for not paying attention to what he was writing down. We're kind of in a little group. It's only between me and some other guys. I met him when I was in the military, but um, yeah, I got an echo again. I really don't, honestly, to be honest, guys, I really don't know what's going on. Streamlabs has just been doing nothing but crazy stuff, guys. I'm sorry. Um, it's just I don't know. They're actually it said that their servers were down, so I was kind of like in and out of broadcasts. So I'm sorry about that, guys. You're just gonna have to work with it for now. Bitcoin is coming up, guys. Let's look at I'm gonna watch Nvidia real quick. Nvidia is about to have its crossover on the MACDs. Um, let's see if the stochastics actually jumps up uh from that D signal. Let's see if we can get to this 50. If we can get to this 50, fellas, I'm just going to be done for today. Um, I'm going to see what he says, guys. Let's ASM News and War just changed the market today. ASML News and War just changed the market today. So there's nothing else. You're long in Q75? Yeah. I'm going to wait for mine, guys. I'm not. This is not going to hurt me, fellas. I'm not going to be liquidated, so I'm not worried about it. But it's not a good mindset for any starter or anything, guys. Don't do that. Know your risk, guys. As he says, if SPX goes under 5832, we drop. 5832. So watch SPX, guys. Watch SPX. SPX, watch SPX, watch Bitcoin, watch Nvidia. I think Nvidia, he said it needs what was it again? 134. Nvidia needs to go to 134. I know, guys, this is not perfect. It is what it is right here. Bam, bam. What is it, F2? Thanks for the follow, everyone. Thanks for the follow. Jeez, everybody's in here, guys. I know everyone's in here because I'm down like crazy, but it's all right. I mean, I'm not scared. Don't think like that. Oh gosh, I think Pink will go down to 63, then go to 68. You know what? I would like to him. He says on the call. He says ASML is saying people aren't buying a machine that takes 9 months to deliver, so that means 2025 bookings will be delivered in 2026. So that's all he said for that. You think Bitcoin will go down to 63? I have no clue about Bitcoin, guys. I'm learning. I'm learning. That's why I have a mentor, guys. Yeah, I mean, there are things that he does tell me that I can't tell y'all just because, he can get in trouble, but um I've learned a lot since then, guys. I have. It's pretty good stuff. It's really good stuff that y'all wouldn't even believe would be it. But let's see. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Biddy. There she goes. Bitcoin's going up, baby. We need a break out of here. We need a break out of this zone here and not a fake out. We're coming back to that 50 on the 1 hour. So if you look at that 50, guys, it looks like we're coming back to that 50. But yeah, I'm just gonna hold this, guys. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not scared. Let's look at 30-minute, fellas. We need to come all the way up here. Jeez, man, that's crazy. I marked these I think it was last week. I made all these moves here. Money is flowing. This is coming from my mentor guys. He says money is flowing to UPS, UPST, sector rotation, guys. Sector rotation. Eminem's autocorrect so annoying. Yeah, you watch that. What is it that those 330s guys at 330 when all those options expire? You know damn well they're probably not going to take it all the way up there either way. So it is what it is, guys. Ah, we got a lot of people in here, fellas. I haven't had this many. Yeah, I wish I knew how they actually operated. That's what me and the my mentor were talking about. I think he knows sort of how they play their stuff, but you can't learn every sector. So he trades based off news, so he's really good with that. And other things. And I'm that's as far as I'm gonna go. I can't say too much. I don't want to get my buddy in trouble. M&Ms, like the chocolate M&Ms. Uh, it's already 11:21, guys. Oh, I see. I know what's going on. I really do not pay attention, do I? Why did I oversee that? That is horrible. Jeez. Wow. That's crazy. I really oversaw that. 100 point negative demo. That's funny, man. Good job, Thomas. Good job. This is not a demo, guys. I don't get it, man. Why y'all It is what it is, guys. Hold on, let's see. That's funny. I don't know why people would even be on a demo in live trading. That just doesn't make any sense. Man, I don't know why you're still going, brother. Your mother didn't raise you right. God, jeez, man, have respect for other people, guys. Demo, it said thoughts on you, Euro. I have no idea. Hold on. Watch UPST, guys. UPST, sector rotation. That's all I'm getting. Yeah, that's what I'm watching. But see, if you're looking at ASML, as look at it already drop like that. Um, I'm thinking if ASML has already dropped down like that already, um, and QQQ is not really following the same way. Well, actually, you know what? I think it is, isn't it? Oh, I'm in the, no wonder. I'm over here in the 30 minute. Yeah, they took a big hit, guys. They took a really big hit. It's crazy. I'm gonna look at their daily though. It seemed like they needed it though. They needed that drop. Thanks for the follow, man. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm not I'm gonna see what happens. Nah, I'll just take $1,000 loss. I honestly really don't care. It's not it, I'm not gonna be liquidated, guys, so I made pretty decent money last week, so how many people are crazy in TikTok right now making live? I don't know. Tell me. I'm interested in knowing. I don't just broadcast on TikTok, guys. I broadcast on all the other places except for Facebook. What's wrong with going live? You're watching. You're going crazy watching people go live. All right, let's see what we're doing, guys. All right, so let's see. Man, ASML is getting it. It's all right though. I mean, well, QQQ is not really following it, so because ASML is already below what was that? 735, guys, where it broke. 735. SMCI held pretty good through this news. See what's going on here. If we get another, if we get a bounce, a little bounce up again, I'm gonna get out of one contract and just start scaling in some more. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna just mark this area right here. Let's see what's going on. Nope, he hasn't said anything yet. I'm gonna watch Nvidia real quick. I think I know what's gonna happen though. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna hold this. See if we can get a little breakout from here. If you watch what was it? ASML guy. Why watch ASML? Watch ASML. Nvidia needs to go above 134, guys, in order to keep going up. What price did you get in at? Nvidia's we need to get to 134 in Nvidia, guys. SPX is starting to run. Um, let's see, what else did he say? Bitcoin, watch Bitcoin, guys. It says money running to Bitcoin. Watch coin. If coin gets to 200, can pop to 203 to 209. All based on Bitcoin over 66K and MSTR. So that's new information, guys. That's new information, guys. Jesus, already 11:34. I'm usually off by 10:55, guys, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to ride this out, guys. I'm gonna wait. I don't mind holding this. All based on Bitcoin over 66K and MSTR. He's typing some more, guys. So 11:35. I'm gonna be waiting all day, guys. Are you in anything here? Yeah, I'm in AMQs, guys. We're still stuck in the zone. I'm gonna watch. What is it? Damn. All right, guys, I got about 20 minutes left and then I'm going to have to get off. I will record this and have it up later on. I'm not going to get out of this position. Why does anybody be selling? Do you know what's coming? There's 6 trillion on the sidelines waiting to come in. From what I've heard is some kind of rotation and watch Bitcoin, um, UPST, and other ones I don't recall. Watch Coin. That's the last thing that I've gotten. And MSTR. Watch Coin, Bitcoin, Nvidia, MSTR. That's all I got. But guys, yeah, I'll be getting off at 12. I'll upload this video uh, later on. I'll record this video and I'm still going to be in this trade. I'm not going to add any more contracts. 3 is my max for today. Um, so we go below 490, guys, we're just heading straight down. That's what I'm seeing. So, uh, I don't know if they'll take it that far though. Right below 490.78 on the Qs, guys. 490.78. I would watch out for those. Hmm. 490.78. Watch 490.78, guys. If we do head to the downside. And if we don't, I am watching 495.77 to the upside. 495.77. 495.73 to the upside for QQQs, guys. So watch that 30, 30, 50, guys. I'm about to get out of this contract here and just start scaling in, scaling out, guys. And I'm going to leave this here for reference, though. go to 3 minute, see what happens here. Come on. Jeez. Looks like we might be going to that 320, guys, so get out of this one here in a minute. Or just one contract, guys. I got out of that one. Now I'm just gonna wait. If we do get another drop, guys, I'm gonna get into another one. But for right now, I know that this right here was my break even before, so I'm just gonna be careful right now. And then my other one is up here, my other entry, so I would have to actually go set it right here. So I'm just gonna wait for this one, guys. If we do come up, if we break out of this zone here, I will come back. If it does come back, or if we break down, whatever the scenario is. I'm just going to keep averaging up or down and just try to at least break even for today. And once I get off, I'll be doing that. I'll record this video and I'll set it up for later. I'll have it on later on. Trust would love to see percent drop. Ooh, that's nasty, guys. Oh, you like the time? I appreciate it, man. Watch that 320, guys. That 320 to the downside, and then let's see. Oh, I'm over here looking at, man. I'm not focusing. If we break that 490, we're going lower, guys. If we break that 490, we're probably going down to 487.70. So I got one more minute, guys, and I'll be getting off. I'm gonna go take a little break right quick, and then I'll record this video. Well, it's already being recorded, but uh, I'm not gonna I'm gonna have this video uploaded once the day is over, guys. It's already 10. All right, fellas. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. It's been very interesting today. Uh, so be careful, guys, because this thing could still run down. Watch for those levels. I said at 490. Just watch that 490 level, and then if we do drop from there, watch that 486 puts, guys. So just watch those. But thanks for tuning in, guys. I will be back on tomorrow and see what we do.